Hi children.
Hi
Now we are going to learn the sound of letter I.
I.
Okay, now we are going to learn the sound. Before that, I would like to say a story from my big book.
Big book.
Yes. Can you see this picture?
Yes, ma'am.
Suji, tell me, what can you see from this picture?
Ma'am, ink, rat, books, and boy.
Yeah. Now, shall I say the story?
Yes, ma'am.
There was a boy. His name is Suji.
Suji.
His name is
Suji.
Suji. Sujin has a new pet. Okay. Pet mouse in his room. Okay. Then it was playing here and there. Okay. There's a mouse, right? It was playing here and there. Then suddenly what happened? It tried to climb upon the table. Then Sujin kept a bottle of ink. When the mouse climbed up the table, it's what happened? The ink bottle just fell down. Okay. The ink
Fell
down. Yes. Then the ink splashes all over the mouse. So the mouse made an action like eek, 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 eek is the sound of letter I. Okay. Eek, eek. Now, for E sound, what can you see here? Lakshana, read out the words. Now say the sound. E. Il.
Il.
E. Hill. E. Sit. Lip. E. Yeah. Now Angie, come here. Come here. Now read the words for letter I. I for? Il. Yes.